Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to use icons in Flutter app development. Icon is a small graphical image in the app to represent a logo or a hyperlink for entry to another page. Flutter has an icon class or widget to create icons in our app. Flutter framework has list of predefined icons that we can use in our app. We can use them by using their names. For example, icons dot icon underscore name. That underscore name can be given, that is a list of icon. For example, icons dot alternate email is one of the icon. Now let's learn how to use icon in our app. This is predefined code that we have created for scaffold and app bar. In app bar text, app bar name in the text is given as icon. I have already created floating action button. I'll select that code and comment it. Now under center widget, I'm going to use icon widget as a child property, or under child property icon widget that takes icons class with dot, and these are the list of icons which are available in Flutter. You can use any one of them. On the left side icon name, on the right side the icon, respective icon. So I'll select, for example, sentiment underscore satisfied, and if I run this code, icon will appear. It is in default size and default color, so we can change size and color. Size by size icon, and color by colors dot name of the color. For example, I'll select yellow. Now if I run, it will show color change and size is also changed. Now I can use multiple icons. To use multiple icons, suppose I want to use in a single column, so I'll have to use it in a column widget. So I'll just select this code, I'll remove this center widget and use column widget or column class. Under column, children property, that is list of icons can be given. I'll paste, so I'll have to create again by using icon in bracket icons dot name of the icon, icons dot sentiment underscore satisfied, size 50, and then color using color property. I'll select this code, copy and paste it within a children or column class. Two more times. I want to create 3 icons. So in second icon widget, I will change icons dot, for example, AC unit, size, let it as it is. I'll change color to blue, and in third icon widget, icons dot, I'll select, for example, call, and will change color to, for example, black. So if I run this or hot reload, the output will look like this. That is, our output will look like this. Output, that is all three icon will be displayed in a single column.